Ever pondered the secret to making a woman addicted to you? Pause for a moment and let that question sink in. The answer lies not in grand gestures or expensive gifts, but in something far simpler and infinitely more powerful: self-confidence. Confidence, true confidence, is attractive. It's a beacon that draws people in, a magnetic force that's impossible to ignore. But where does confidence come from? It's not something you can buy or borrow. It's not something that's bestowed upon you. Confidence is a feeling, a state of mind that comes from within. It's about being comfortable with who you are, embracing your strengths and acknowledging your weaknesses. It's about standing tall even when the world tries to knock you down. Developing self-confidence takes time. It's a journey, not a destination. It's about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself. And the more you grow, the more confident you become. Remember, confidence isn't about pretense, it's about embracing who you truly are. Next up, we dive into the magic of attentive listening. Imagine a world where everyone talks but no one listens. Sounds chaotic, right? That's because listening is an integral part of communication. It's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions and thoughts behind them. When a woman shares her thoughts, dreams, or even her fears, she's not just looking for a sounding board. She's searching for someone who listens, someone who values her words. Active listening is more than just a skill, it's a sign of respect. It's about putting down your phone, making eye contact, and showing genuine interest. Ask thoughtful questions, give feedback, and remember, it's not always about offering solutions. Sometimes it's about being a shoulder to lean on. By doing so, you understand her better and in turn, build a stronger bond. In the end, listening is about showing empathy and respect. Now let's explore the captivating allure of humor. Humor is a vital ingredient in the recipe of an addictive personality. It's like the secret sauce that adds flavor to your interactions, making you more appealing and enjoyable to be around. A good sense of humor is not just about cracking jokes, it's about seeing the lighter side of life, finding amusement in the mundane, and spreading that joy around. Imagine you're in a social setting. There's a hint of awkwardness in the air. A well-timed joke or a humorous anecdote can act as an icebreaker, dissolving the tension and making everyone, especially women, feel at ease. Humor is a universal language. It transcends barriers, bridges gaps, and bonds people. It's a magnet that attracts positivity, and who doesn't love that? Remember though, humor should never be at the expense of others. It should elevate, not degrade. Humor, when used correctly, can be a powerful tool in creating an irresistible attraction. Ever thought about the enchanting power of surprises? Surprises, my friends, are like the secret spice in the recipe of love. They add that unexpected flavor, making your relationship feel fresh, exciting, and unpredictable. Imagine this, you're having just an ordinary day, and then out of the blue, you receive a thoughtful surprise. It could be as simple as a handwritten note slipped into your lunch bag, a favorite book you've been meaning to read, or an impromptu dinner at your favorite restaurant. These surprises, though small, show that you're on someone's mind. They reflect thoughtfulness and care. But the magic of surprises doesn't stop there. They make a woman feel special, cherished, and loved. They can turn a regular day into a memorable one, a mundane moment into a cherished memory. They remind her that she is valued, that she is loved, and that she is worth the effort. Surprises, big or small, are a sure way to keep the spark alive. Lastly, let's delve into the fundamental element of respect. Respect is the cornerstone of any relationship, and it's about so much more than just saying please and thank you. It's about recognizing and appreciating the individuality, the uniqueness, the choices, and the space of the person you're with. When it comes to relationships with women, respect means acknowledging her autonomy, her decisions, and her personal space. It's about understanding that she is her own person with her own thoughts, feelings, and ideas. It's about valuing her input, her perspective, and her contributions to the relationship. Respect in a relationship isn't a one-way street. It's a mutual exchange, a shared understanding that both parties are equally valued, equally important. It forms the foundation of a healthy and happy relationship, fostering an environment of trust, open communication, and love. Respect isn't just about treating a woman well, it's about valuing her as an equal partner.